Hey everybody, I'm here with my friends Julia and Jonathan, and we're gonna play one of my favorite songs. This song was composed by somebody named Mozart. Ready? Julia, do you know what song that was?
Twinkle, twinkle.
That's right, it's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Ready to sing it now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
Wow.
how I wonder what you are. Don't you love that song, Julia? Yeah. Well, thanks for singing along with us. See you next time.